Welcome to NYNJPA Weather, your weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. Yes, even live weather coverage. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. Before I start, I just want to go over real fast some disturbing news I heard this morning about the Weather Channel. Well, disturbing if you're a weather junkie. It looks like the Weather Channel is going to decrease live coverage of weather. You know, since they are the Weather Channel and I guess they don't want to cover live weather. That's fine with me. If you're in the Northern Mid-Atlantic and there's a major storm on the way, you don't have to wait for a movie for live coverage of the weather events. I'll be here ready to report live and in the now. So when there's a major storm on the way, you know where to go. That's NYNJPA Weather. Now, to the forecast. Our warm front is well to the north, and that means we are very warm. And the cold front is well to the west, which means we have several hours of very warm conditions on the way. Did you enjoy the 70s yesterday? You're going to get them again today. So enjoy them while it lasts, because that warm air is not going to last very long. Let's take a look at the latest satellite picture. Well, here we have the water vapor, and I drew two lines here. The orange line is very warm air, and what we have in place here is an area low pressure that is very intense over the plains, and ahead of the low you get southwesterly winds. Well, those winds happen to be from the Gulf of Mexico and the Gulf Coast, which of course is normally warm. So all this warm air is riding up the East Coast, and as a result our temperatures are driving into the 70s. We have some periods of fog every so often in the morning. And because this is a warm and relatively unstable atmosphere, there will be a threat of an isolated shower here and there at almost any time this afternoon. So just be aware of that threat going forward. Behind that warm air, behind that cold front, very cool polar air is moving into the northern plains. Get used to hearing that this winter. And will drive towards the East Coast. The brunt of the cold air will move towards the Great Lakes, but we'll also feel some of that cool air as well, as temperatures fall from the 70s into the 50s, and in some locations upper 40s for highs by this weekend. So it looks like we're dealing with a rather chilly Halloween on the way. Just take a look at the radar here. You can see that this cold front has plenty of showers and thunderstorms, and that's going to move through tomorrow afternoon. Late tomorrow morning through the rush hour tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, look for periods of heavy rain. Some of these thunderstorms will be capable of producing wind gusts over 40 miles per hour at times. I think majority of these thunderstorms will remain below severe levels, and that severe threat will be more focused towards Washington, D.C. on south. But still, these storms will pack a powerful punch, especially in terms of wind gusts and heavy rainfall. Behind this cold front, as you can see, once this low pressure system moves up into southeastern Canada, there is no precipitation throughout the plains and off to the Rockies. So what does that mean? Well, basically, once this cold front moves through, and some showers are still going to linger on into Thursday morning, high pressure will take control, and excellent weather conditions, although a bit cool, can be expected Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. In fact, temperatures will fall back to below normal levels. Like I was saying earlier, high temperatures in the upper 40s to lower to mid 50s. Warmer, of course, towards the coast and in your urban locations. But it's going to feel a lot cooler because, well, you're used to the 70s. So all of a sudden you get this cool shock, and it's good. You're going to feel it, that is for sure, especially as you go out for trick-or-treating. So all you ghouls and goblins, bundle up a little bit. You're going to need it. Thank you for trusting in NYNJPA Weather, your weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic and live weather coverage. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. Have an excellent day.